Hey guys, so this up is your boy Teddy here, and today's video is very special because I compile all my footwork tutorial into one video. So for those of you guys who want to learn it, all you have to do is just look at the number and the name of the title, and then you can click on the description box below. All the link of the tutorial will be there, so whichever move you want to learn, all you have to do is just click the link. Alright, because I know that it's very tedious for you guys to find my videos one by one because there's a lot of tutorial on there. So hopefully this kind of video will help you guys, and if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. I will try my best to reply all guys. Alright, that's about it. Without further ado, let's get started.